So today Ted and I are doing something we don't normally do. We are touring a $55 million mansion going up for auction in just a few days.
Check out this. Thank you so much.
What, catering kitchen?
I've never seen a kitchen this big except in a restaurant.
I know, it looks like a...
Upstairs too, I'm just like, what?
Oh my god.
This is where we wouldn't got our ice. We were like, oh.
Deep enough that the helicopter can pull water for fire.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. This is the main lodge. It's about a little over 16,000 square feet. And it has 4 big, huge, beautiful suites, plus a sleeping loft, and numerous bathrooms, numerous kitchens, one amazing large kitchen, along with a bakery kitchen and a small kitchen that serves the executive meeting room that has got a beautiful long table in it that adjoins an incredible wine cellar, one like you've never seen before. It can be a family compound, it can be a corporate executive retreat, you name it.
We should get Sherry to buy it.
Yes. The Chase Getaway.
I think this is the wine cave. Whoa, look at this. It's the wine cellar. What? Well, they're like little apartments. Oh my. Seriously modern. Oh, there's a kitchen in here. Oh my goodness. And laundry. Wow, it's a commercial kitchen.
Oh, look at this.
Wow.
Look at that.
This is... Oh my gosh. It's a walk-in freezer. Let's go. Let's not get locked in though. Ooh. Oh, wow.
That's the freezer.
That's the fridge. Wow.
This is the definition of a well. These pots, they're huge.
This is for someone who never cooks for themselves. Mechanical room.
You run the property on this or something.
Ooh, how pretty. It's like a little library up here. I don't know, let's see the other side. Ooh, pretty.
Nice view on your
It's
tub.
copper. I like the red laundry.
I love the wood everywhere. That's great.
That's beautiful.
Like a church.
Yeah. Look at this tub. Wow. Little kids hideaway up there.
Right.
What do you think? Could you live here?
It's beautiful. Sure, you can live here.
I don't know if I could live here, but I could stay here for a while.
It's a little big. It's resorty.
Aw. Look, it says Ted and Diane, sit here.
Good.
It does. So Ted, what's your favorite part so far?
The master. Everything.
Yeah,
Just amazing how much land is around this thing.
totally.
You have some amazing Easter egg hunts. Last days.
Never find them. Carriage house. Okay, so we took a look at the big house and it's amazing, very lodgy, plenty of space for guests, room to play. Now we're gonna go look at some of the outbuildings. I want to see the stables.
Is that up there?
It's another house. Let's go look.
Jeez.
Oh yeah, told you we get some exercise.
Oh my God.
This is good for your backpack trip. Gotta get ready. You on the trail. I can't wait to see it.
Can't wait now to be there.
Wow. Another amazing bar. Just love how smooth this wood is. Oh, it's another bar. Shocker. Well, it's a whole kitchen. Wow.
Oh wow.
Look at this view.
Another view.
Look at this fire pit.
Okay, here the kids. Wow.
Oh, the bunkhouse. This must be the 18 bunk bunkhouse. It's supposed to be the girls' side. This is so like summer camp, but classy.
Oh, here's the other, they have another one here.
They're all over.
Look at this cute little historic shack. So I think that's the caretaker's cabin. Off to the stables.
This protects the phone.
Big ol' hayloft. This is like a really nice stable bathroom. And this is the grooming area.
Do they sell them?
They're in the pasture. Gosh, look at the horse's little hood. That is so funny. Hi there, sweetie. Hi.
Oh, they want to come more.
Oh my gosh, that is hilarious.
So cute.
Such a cutie. Hi. Sit in a chair.
Do I have to?
Yeah, you have to. Okay, so inside the house, they have this little game going of guess what it's going to sell for. So, Ted, what was your guess?
Oh, 50 million. I didn't know what it was worth.
Okay, so I guessed 21.5. So, we'll see what it really sells for. Okay, so I think we've seen all the major buildings. We've seen the lodge, we've seen the bunkhouse. We walked by the caretaker's cabin. I don't think that's open, and we saw the stables. So there were tennis courts, sports courts, horseshoe pits. What else? I think it's missing a swimming pool. I didn't see a swimming pool, but I suppose you could swim in the pond. Okay, honestly, I think the best use of this property is a palatial prepper pad. All it needs are some chickens, some little permaculture installations to better manage the water flow, some...
You know what it is a rifle range.
Oh, a rifle range. There's another idea. A rifle range, a guardhouse, an ammo depot. the whole
It needs a little.
veggie setup.
Could use a Ferris wheel. And, you know, little
Right.
kids like a little Disneyland.
And a carnival to keep the kids entertained when Armageddon hits.
Yeah, it has to be X-Files. You know.
Oh right, we need alien communications because, you know, aliens.
No, you need big fences to keep out the zombies.
Oh right. That's right, zombie deterrence.
See, there's a
And
square.
alien welcomers. You ready to go?
Bye.
Okay, I think we're ready to go.
Good.
It's been a great day. There's my cutie ready to shop.
I'm ready to drop.
Hi little cow. He's like, you're freaking me out, lady. This is how they get to know you.
Oh.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Figure out if you're a psycho or not.
Big monsters.
They're not monsters.
They're
They're
huge.
sweet. Why am I so out of breath all the time going up these
Got a
hills?
little older.
Why? I'm breathing harder than he is. That's not right.
Let's go, Kitty. I'm tired of this. It's neat. Let's go.
Are you done?
I'm done.
Okay.